Hey, it's Jeremy from RetroShop, and today we have an 08 Tacoma in the shop. I wanted to show you a couple different taillight options. So we have the new ones here from Alpharex, and we still have some paint work to do on the outside of these, but I wanted to throw them on the truck and give you guys a quick look at them. Next to it here, we have a set from Sonar. So this is actually one of our employees' trucks here. He's been driving with these for quite some time. We like the style, but you know, we're going to show you some differences here between the two. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and hit the parking lights there. So when you hit the parking lights, you see that the Sonar comes on just, single color. The Alpharex will come on with a startup sequence, which goes through the turn signals and then back to parking lights. Let's go ahead and hit the brakes, please. So here you can see the difference in the brake light operation in the two. Let's go ahead and hit reverse. So on here we have a set of high-powered LEDs on the right-hand side. Those are not what comes with those taillights. On the left-hand side, these are the Alpharex reverse lights, which are freaking insane. All right, now let's go ahead and put it back to parking, and let's hit the hazards, please. So on the right-hand side, we have a LED bulb that was replaced from the incandescent bulb on the Sonars. On the left-hand side, we have the Alpharex with its full LED, and you can see the sequential action on those. All right, so let's set the camera this way. Turn off the hazards, please. We'll go ahead and turn the parking lights off. And I just want you guys to see this startup sequence on this video here. So go ahead and hit the parking lights again. So a pretty cool startup sequence on these Alpharex tails. So once again, just kind of showing the differences between a couple sets of taillights here on this 08 Tacoma. If you guys have any questions about these or taillights that may fit your vehicle, feel free to reach out to us via the methods listed in the post. Thank you very much.